Hey guys, this is Brian with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be talking about how easy this process is doing it at home. One thing we're going to be looking at today is the Weekend Warrior, which is meant for our hobbyists. The internal dimensions on this bad boy right here, that's 33 by 30 by 28, literally allowing you to fit 80 to 90% of your motorcycle parts, car parts that you're going to be working on. And guys, we're going to be working on an engine head from a Mustang, but let's go ahead and demonstrate how easy this process is, how you can do this in your garage, work on that project that you always wanted to restore. But let's look at the magic. Guys, we're truly showing you how easy this process is when you're working at home, in your garage, whatever setting that requires. But as far as the Weekend Warrior, this unit right here, that's strictly meant for our hobbyists. Now, operating with your compressor, you do want to be between 20 to 30 CFM to operate standard, but we do offer a conversion kit that allows you to anywhere to operate between 5 to 15 CFM, and that's a $45 conversion kit. Relatively inexpensive comparing to going out and get a new compressor. When it comes to getting into one of our cabinets, one thing that you do have to consider is your abrasive. You know, is that going to require a polishing finish or a matte finish, in which we do provide both solutions for your application. Another thing to consider when getting into our units is your system that you're going to be running, whether it's open or closed. Now with open loop, it does require a water source to be fed to the cabinet at all times via a drainage. With the closed loop option, which is more ideal when you're going to be working with metals that could potentially flash rust after water exposure, would be the closed loop option, which is self-contained, allowing the water to cycle back within itself via a sedimentation process. But we do have both options for your convenience at your location. Again, we have a full team that's dedicated to assisting you guys get into the right perfect hobbyist cabinet as our Weekend Warrior. More than happy to assist at 828-202-5563.